digging the water lines, and we have already gone about 30 feet or so, and we're doing another 30 feet where this is our hill and we're going to be putting it on the shared driveway. So there's everyone else. They already started some of the digging. It has to be 18 inches deep, and then we got to cover it back up. So this is the hose. It's about 18 inches deep there. And then we got to keep going around this little curve. It's not quite 18 inches deep. So a few weeks ago, Rich had cut back this cherry tree and just totally took a lot of big branches off of it so that it would have new growth, and it does. You can see all the little tiny sprouts that are just coming out. Spring is here, so we get to see all of the new growth coming out on this cherry tree. There's 3 cherries on it last fall, and so we're excited to see what it is. There's another new growth and another one. There's a few more coming out here on the sides. That one doesn't really have any on it. Look, there's some more here, some in the back. It's just really coming out all over the place right now. There's another one. Thank you so much for watching our updates. Like and subscribe. Here's a couple more videos.